Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn on and off Bing Safe Search. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn off or on and off Bing Safe Search. But firstly, let's see what we have in front of you. In the top right corner, we have your profile, and here we have everything about your Bing. We have the search bar, and down here in the bottom we have the Bing pictures. News. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn on or off Bing Safe Search. So firstly, what you need to do, of course, is go and open, of course, Bing on www.bing.com as I told you to start. Then locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, which are here, as you can see, we have them here. Then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. We have the drop-down menu and click Settings. Then click on Safe Search, which is here, as you can see, in the almost the middle. Then choose the Safe Search preferences, so strict, moderate, or off. And then click Save at the bottom of the menu to apply your changes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.